Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing my cat. He's orange like a tiger. His name is Tigger, his tail. And he's a nice, cute boy. See him? Tigger, Tigger, want it? You want it?
Bruh.
Oh, want it? See? He's just like any ordinary cat who likes a lot of stuff. We love him very much. And yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
See? His paw is claw. So I like him very much. And I want a dog too, guys. Like a dog. I want like a German Shepherd too. And yeah. So this is my cat. He's so wonderful. So I'm just gonna be petting the cat and yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much my cat. Oh, he got it. And he actually ate a squirrel. Once, which is awesome. And yeah, I hope you enjoy seeing my wonderful cat. And yeah, for all this nice orangey fur. He also has white stripes, if you guys can see right there. Yeah, which is pretty cool. I like that he's orange and white striped. And yeah. So that'll probably be the end of the video, guys. And I'll see you guys next time.